Hi and welcome to Easy Plant. Well, today we're excited to launch our landscaping packages, and to celebrate we're including them in our 50% off winter planning sale. With added benefits including full plant selection reveal, free plan design and online support, our landscaping packages take the guesswork out of choosing the right plant selection, and you get to work one-on-one with me to ensure you get it right the first time, saving you time and money. Now, you can spend a lot of money engaging a landscape designer, or for one small investment, you can start planning now and have your garden design plan ready for springtime planting. So click on the link below or the button and choose from one of the 3 tailor-made landscaping packages, giving you 12 months access to our complete range of professionally designed garden bed plans with full plant selection reveal, ensuring you have the best garden in your street. Now remember, our winter planning sale finishes on the 31st of August, so take advantage of the 50% off before it disappears. Bye for now.